even though I've been using Canon cameras for a long time, I never knew that there's a little door right here that the cable can exit through after you put this unit in there. So it installs like a regular battery apparently. And then, as the instructions say, you have to be able to fully close the door for the camera to be powered on. That little thing has to flex down. I'm going to just point it down in there. There we go. Let the cable come out freely. There we go. And with the adapter plugged into the wall, we have power on. Fortunately, no objection on the back here. Sometimes if you put an aftermarket battery in a 5D Mark III, it'll complain. And it also works when plugged into a power bank. It says it's drawing 9.2 volts. So of course my question was, since it was drawing 9.2 volts from that power bank, which is a PD3 power bank, would it work with an older power bank? Plug it into the power bank, and the power bank is on for sure. Little blue light shining. Try to turn the camera on, nothing. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You'll need one of the newer power banks that's able to deliver the higher voltages. So I decided to try this out on a Poppy that's already open. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on a fall day, and I'm taking a picture every 3 minutes. We'll see what sort of a time lapse I get out of that.